Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
After creating a new document, you may need to change its file type. To save a Word document as a different file type, click the File tab in the ribbon. Then click the Export command at the left side of the Backstage view. Then click the Change File Type option that appears to the right to display a list of file types from which to choose. Choose a file type, and then click the Save As button to open the Save As dialog box. Alternatively, if you don't see the file type you want, choose the Save As Another File Type option, and then click the Save As button to open the Save As dialog box. You can then use the Save As Type drop-down in the Save As dialog box to choose any available file type. Either way, in the Save As dialog box, then navigate to where you want to save the file. Then type the name for the file, if needed, into the file name field. Then click the Save button.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.